Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your flight ticket date on Delta Airlines. Whether your plans have shifted or you need more flexibility with your travel schedule, Delta makes it straightforward to modify your booking online. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to delta.com. Once you're on the Delta homepage, look toward the top of the page where you'll find the navigation menu. Click on My Trips. This section is where you can access and manage all your current and upcoming reservations with Delta. After clicking My Trips, you'll be taken to a page that asks you to retrieve your booking. Here, you'll need to enter your confirmation number and your last name in the search fields provided. Your confirmation number is typically a 6-character code that was sent to you via email when you first booked your flight. Make sure you have this information ready. Once you've entered both details, click the red button to proceed to the next step. Now I'm going to explain what to do next since I don't have a ticket number ready for the flight. Once you've provided your details, click Search to retrieve your booking. The system will pull up your reservation and display the details of your current trip. If you have multiple bookings, they'll all appear here, so take a moment to review them. Select the trip you want to change from the results. Click on it to open the full details of that specific reservation. Once inside, look for the option that says Modify Flight or Change Flight. This button is usually clearly labeled and easy to spot. Click on it to begin the modification process. You'll now be presented with a calendar or a list of available options. Choose a new date from the calendar that works better for your schedule. Delta will show you available flights on that date, along with their departure times and any seat availability. Browse through the options and select the preferred new flight from the list displayed. After selecting your new flight, the system will automatically calculate any fare differences and applicable fees. Review these carefully as changing your flight may come with additional costs depending on your ticket type and how close you are to the departure date. The screen will clearly show you any balance due or refund if applicable. Once you've reviewed everything, click Continue or Next to proceed. If there's a balance due, you'll be prompted to enter payment details. Provide your payment information to cover any fare difference or change fees. After entering your payment details, click Confirm to finalize the change. Delta will then process your request and send you an updated itinerary via email with your new flight details. And that's it. You've successfully changed your flight date on Delta Airlines without needing to call customer service. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.